So for today's video guys, we have a Christmas party, a year-end party. So let's get ready to meet mga kawakwak. So mga kawakwak, we're done with our makeup. Look at that beaches. All the beaches here. So what's up mga kawakwak? Let's have. So get ready with me at Acacia Hotel mga kawakwak. Let's party.
Dance to the flow, make it clap, make it move. Dowdy, drop it down low. Dowdy, drop it down low. Sing the head, don't move.
So mga kawakwak, papunta na kami ngayon sa Acacia Hotel with the beaches. With all the beaches. So muna mo ang bandam, ang pinakamadam sa tanan si Chloe. Muna ang pinakamadam. So,
Jamie,
doon na kami sa among destination. That is Acacia Hotel. Doon na street. So, lapit na.
Ulit 5 PM pasudlon. 5 PM pa pasudlon ana city pa.
So, nana dyan may diri sa Acacia Hotel.
Imong sari.
So, nana may diri sa Acacia Hotel. We're here at the Acacia Hotel right now. So, we're here at Acacia Hotel right now.
You keep talking, but not much coming at your mouth. Need to tell that I want you, I say it. I will by myself, the reason I'll put you through hell.
So, what's up guys? Nanalo mi diri sa Acacia. Nanalo mi diri sa Acacia Hotel now. Our year-end party, we're here at Acacia. With the danceries. So,
Good luck.
good luck to us.
Ay sa bangko mo din.
So mga kawakwak na dahil may diri sa year-end party. So we got a party here. We got a party here. Party. So let's get ready for our vlog.
Credit party begins!
Wala ka ni vlog, kami lang.
Sige.
Uy, paganda mo.
Percent Ada Penetration. Our pride of 2024 from Team Mighty Hunters, Annie Herosu Jr. Palakpak mo sa mga.
So anong masasabi niyo? Nagugutom na ba kayo?
Yes, gutom kami. 1990 pa kami hindi kumakain.
Di pang lusla na sila mga mahal. Kaon na mga binarian, kaon na.
Let's go, friends!
Balutin mo ako. Na. Balutin mo. Asa? Balutin mo ako. Balutin mo. Yeah, dapat balot-balot.
Flex your retro outfits and let's all have a showdown!
LGBT
na dyan ang
So,
mga party.
pamagin ko ulit.
Maulit na niya.
Highest ADA penetration for Central 8.
So, hello mga kawak-wak. Maulit na dahil we're done partying. So, maulit na lang ni. Bye-bye. See you in other vlog. So guys, tapos na po yung party namin. Amazing vlog. So bye. Bye.
Bye, Day. Bye.
Dance to the flow, make it clap, make it roll. Dowdy, drop it down low.